Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. I would love to have you. It would mean so much to me. Guys, today we have a brand new subscription and I am so excited to give this a try and open it and see exactly what it is all about. And that is the Phivi Artisanal Desserts box. Is this not gorgeous? Now, it did come in an outer box with the silver insulation packing and an ice pack to keep it cold because, like I said, this is a dessert box. And it's going to have 8 freshly baked all natural desserts every month with free shipping. It's going to have a different theme every month. So I'm going to go over a little bit more information about the box and then we'll get in it and we'll see exactly what we've got. So like I said, it's a monthly box of 8 homemade, freshly baked, all natural desserts, different theme every month. I think that's really unique. And like I said, it's free shipping. And the box is $32. You can get it lower if you go ahead and prepay for, 3, 6, or 12 months. But even at $32 with free shipping for 8 decadent desserts, that's an amazing price because I know we have some bakeries and things here that if you go and you may pay $4 or $5 for just one dessert. So I think that this is really awesome. It's a great way to treat yourself or treat someone that you love. It make a great birthday present. Christmas is gonna creep up on us before we know it. So I think this would make an amazing gift. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. But let's see if there is any other information that I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, it just says it's a great way to try new, unique, and seasonal flavors. It supports local bakers and small businesses, which I think is fantastic, and I really do love that aspect of it. But yeah, so the assortment could include cakes, macaroons, cake pops, cookies, and more. So there's no telling what's in here. Now, this was in the box that this box was in, and it says, please note that not all items in the box require refrigeration. Your box is packaged in an insulated liner with cold gel pack that will gradually warm to room temperature over time and will arrive warm to the touch. Once your box arrives, refrigerate the cakes immediately and bring back to room temperature before enjoying. So not everything. I actually got this yesterday, but I went ahead and just put it in the refrigerator to make sure everything would stay safe and fresh before I filmed. So let's get this open. I'm dying to see what is in here and exactly what the theme is. I think I know because I think I remember seeing a spoiler. I do want to say thank you so very much to Phivi for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. I know that my husband and son will appreciate it as well because I have no doubt they'll be diving in whatever's in here. So I think it is beautiful. The presentation, the blue bow is just gorgeous. So let's get that off and get the box open and see what kind of desserts we have. All right, so this is the August 2020 box and it is ice cream flavors. So that is awesome. So we have a butter pecan cake jar. I'm not going to tell you, but there are 8 different items in here. This list 1 through 8 exactly what it is. And then this just kind of, the Phivi Artisanal Desserts box. And oh, I like this. Okay, this is neat. And this is something I don't think I've ever seen in any type of snack or baked good type subscription. You guys know, if you've been with me for a while, I've kind of had every type of box there is. This literally gives you nutrition facts for every item in here. That is awesome. So let's just start pulling things out and see. So the first item is, this is so cute, chocolate Cakesicle, and that is the packaging. You can see it kind of looks like that. So, oh my gosh, I bet that's gonna be so good. It's probably just like chocolate cake with the chocolate coating, fudge coating. I know it looks really good. All right. This next item is huge. This is mint chocolate chip cookie. You guys, oh my gosh. And you can see, oh, y'all know that's gonna be fantastic. That will be mine because neither of my boys like mint, so yay. This is actually 1/3 of a pound. I was like, this is a big cookie, y'all. That's a big cookie. Okay. And then, oh my goodness, they just went after my Southern Soul. We have a little mason jar here. So yeah, like I said, they went for my Southern Soul with the little mason jar, glass, tin, everything. This is a Neapolitan cupcake. So there's that. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. So the vanilla, the strawberry. It just smells like a bakery. Okay, so we have that guy right there. And then, what do we have here? Salted caramel brownies. Oh my goodness, they're in a cup like that. Y'all, oh my goodness. We have another mason jar. This is cookies and cream cake. So there's that. Again, mason jar. It's a glass mason jar. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It almost looks like, there's like a layer of maybe like cookies and cream mousse or something. Again, it just smells like a really fancy, like small local bakery. It just smells amazing. Okay, let's see. So that's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. We still have 3 items. This is like the never-ending box. Oh my gosh. Oh, strawberry glaze pound cake. You guys look. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, strawberry glaze pound cake. Oh, that looks so good and it sounds amazing, but I have no doubt my husband will probably be the one to get this because he loves pound cake. So I have full expectations that he will snag this one. Oh my gosh, but look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh. And their presentation is just like amazing. And then we have a pistachio macaron. Now, okay, please let me know down below because I have to admit, I do not know the difference in a macaron and a macaroon. So if someone could let me know, I would really appreciate that. So I'm not sure if this is a macaron or a macaroon, but either way, it is pistachio. So it's in a little cute box. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna love it. I will get this because I love pistachios. Oh, I cannot. We have one more item, and it's another mason jar. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is butter pecan cake. Oh my gosh. Y'all guys see, it's like the layers are what are getting me. Like, this is just, so it's almost like layer of cake and then layer of, I'm guessing, some kind of mousse or cream. That smells so good. So for our August 2020 Phivi Artisanal Desserts box, the theme was ice cream flavors. So we got butter pecan cake, the cookies and cream cake jar, the strawberry glaze pound cake, the pistachio, yum, The chocolate Cakesicle. I think that is so cute. The mint chocolate chip gigantic cookie. The Neapolitan cake jar. And then again, the salted caramel brownie. I want to take this off and actually open this one too. Y'all, this, I may have to hide this. This smells so good, but okay, so you can see, you see right there, you can see the caramel in this. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, so that is the Phivi Artisanal Dessert Box. You guys, I think this is amazing. Like, these are all just, I'm just almost speechless. They all look and sound fantastic. I think they definitely went 100% by theme for ice cream, which is amazing. I can't wait to see what other types of flavors they do and themes they do. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to check out Phivi Artisanal Desserts. Again, it's just $32 a month with free shipping. You can get that lower, I think about as low as like $29. You can't beat that. If you were to go into, like I said, a local small bakery, you would spend more than that buying these items, which I think is it's just a good way to treat yourself. And we all need to treat ourselves now and then. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do want to say thank you so very much to our channel members. Your support means so much to me. And even if you're not a channel member, I do appreciate you being here. Your support also means the world to me, just watching the videos. So like I said, the link will be down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.